Alright guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I got a beautiful peach cobbler to make for you. Here's the ingredients, guys. They're super simple. Freeze it if you have to, but I'm telling you guys, it is amazing. Super simple and delicious. You guys ready? I know I am. Alright, let's go! Alrighty, first you're going to start off by peeling these peaches. Guys, I'm telling you, you're going to want to get some white peaches, and you're going to want to get the famous yellow peaches for this dish. Why the mix-up? I don't know. I think it just works best. It's the way I've been doing it, the way my family's done it, and it's just amazing, guys. Look at this. Look at this. A knife ain't cutting it. Hold on. I got something for you. Are you ready? Check this out. She's amazing. Look at this technique. I don't know how she does it, but she just gets it in there. And look at this. Look. Guys, I'm not playing. Look at that. Bam. Not missing any peach. Look at that. Look at this one. I'm telling you, learn how to use the spoon method. I don't know, but take a look at it. Just peel all your peaches, guys. Get it done, and you will be ready for the next step. Look how juicy that peach is. Oh my God, these peaches. I just want to eat them right now. I'm telling you. All right, guys, are you ready? Alrighty, once you've done peeled your peaches, go ahead, get you a knife. Start slicing up your peaches. That's right, this is how I do it. Cut it in quarters, because guess what? Inside each peach, if you don't know it, look at the pit. It's got a pit, guys. You got to get that out of here. Go plant it. By the way, go check out Miss Maddie's videos. She'll show you how to go ahead and peel it and plant it. That's right, there's a seed inside the seed. But anyways, go ahead, take all these, cut them all up, get the pits de-pitted. Is that even a thing? De-pitted? I don't know, guys, but take them all out. Now comes the best part. Take your peaches and just start slicing these up. You want thin slices. Guys, by the way, if you don't want to do all this work, go buy you a can of peaches. Canned peaches work just as well, but I like fresh peaches. I let them sit on the counter, get super soft, and then just go to town with them, as you see me right here. Oh my God, but I'm telling you, yellow and white peaches are the way to go. I like the white peaches, got a little more of a tart to them, whereas the yellow peaches are a little more sweet. But once you got them all cut up, you're in good shape. Add to a baking sheet 1 stick of butter, put it in the oven, let it melt down. While that's happening, go ahead, slide all your peaches into a skillet, get them ready to go. Don't mind it if you get messy. It's all right, because you know what? You can taste test it. That's right, you'll see me. I'm going to taste test them right here, coming up. But anyways, get them all into a pan, just flatten them out. There you go, taste tested. All right, spread them all out evenly into that pan. Now get you a cup of water. By the way, that's Grandma Kelly. Awesome channel. Go check her out. Go ahead, come in with 1 cup of sugar. Get that all in there, nice and neat. Now you're going to follow it up with 1/2 cup brown sugar. By the way, I like the combination of the sugar and the brown sugar. It adds some extra flavor. Now, yeah, that vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of it. Follow that up with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon nutmeg. Now, last but not least, a little secret, add you a tablespoon of lemon juice. That's right, you can even use lemon extract, which enhances that lemon flavor. Either way, it's good. Go ahead, get this all stirred in, mix it in. Just want to try to incorporate all the seasoning, but just let it cook, because over time, it's going to be cooking. All right, to a bowl, go ahead, add you your flour. Then on to that, you're going to add a tablespoon of salt. Follow that up with 1 cup of sugar. After that, you're going to come in with 1 to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Followed it up with 1 cup of cold milk. Pour that all in there. That's right. As you can tell, we're starting to make our batter. Guys, go ahead, get that all in there and start mixing it. Beat it. I'm telling you, whip it. Whip it good. You see right here, look. Bet you, look how quick I can. Yeah, that's going pretty quick. All right, I love how that's all coming together. As you can see right here, this is the consistency you're looking for, guys. Yep, buddy. All right, remember that butter we melted? Yeah, now you're going to add half your mixture into it. That's right, watch this right here. Just pour it right down the center. Doesn't have to be neat, doesn't have to be uniform. Just pour it in there, get every last drop, because this is good stuff. Now, moving on. As you can see, your peaches are starting to cook. It's going to turn into a syrupy goodness. Just let that keep cooking. Keep an eye on it. Don't let it burn, guys. Very important. This is what you look for right here. As you're starting to see it simmer along the sides, take it and add it on top of your bottom half of the mixture. That's right. Just pour it in there, and you guys do not mix it. That's right. just take a spatula and just push it down firmly. You don't want to spread it out, because watch, you're going to come back in, whip this up a little bit, and then you're going to get all of your flour poured up one side and down the other. That's right. Just want to do it as you see me doing here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to try to just get that all in there. Try to get all of the batter from the bowl. Trust me, you should have enough for this recipe. As you can see right here, I'm struggling, but we're getting it. We're getting it. Hold on. I got something better for you guys. Hold on. That's right, a spatula. Why didn't I think of it? Just get in there and scrape all that bowl. That is going to give you every ounce of batter needed. As you can see, I'm just coming like this, drizzling it on, scooping it up. I'm having a little bit of a trouble, but you know what? I'm not a baker. So you guys, the fact that I'm baking right now, that's an added bonus for you. I'm a cook. I like to cook. I don't bake, but I can do this. All right, by the way, guys, do not stir it. That's right. Just take this the way it is and put it right into the oven and bake this puppy at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. And look at this. Beautiful. That's right. We're not trying to make a cake here, guys. It is just a beautiful cobbler. Get you some powdered sugar. This is homemade powdered sugar, by the way. If you'd like to know how to make it, let me know, and maybe you can work something out. But guys, check it out. By the way, thank you for helping me with this, Miss Maddie. Anyways, guys, sprinkle that on there and put it on a plate. Serve it with some vanilla ice cream. Gotta be vanilla. And by the hey, that's my plate. One of these days, I'm gonna get this. I'm telling you. All right, guys, thank you for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. As always, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next recipe.